PM Narendra Modi held a meeting with top executives from NBFCs and HFCs, wherein the industry sought government support to set the sentiment straight, especially after the IL&FS crisis. The meeting saw participation from giants like Indiabulls Housing Finance and even Diwan Housing Finance. And the main focus remained on propelling growth in the sector. Parisha Tyagi was tracking the story. She filed a report earlier. Let's take a look.
Crucial meeting between NBFCs, HFCs and the Prime Minister took place, and the industry participants highlighted several issues, the most important being that of propelling growth in the short term. While liquidity concerns in the NBFCs has been taken care of with RBI pumping more money into the system, growth remains a concern, and that was one of the suggestions made by the NBFCs to boost growth in the short term. Another important recommendation made by the industry participants was to allow more avenues for deposits into NBFCs, wherein they said that systematically important NBFCs should be allowed to accept deposits from the public. Another key issue highlighted by the NBFCs was to make mudra norms for refinancing NBFCs more flexible for small and medium scale NBFCs. So these issues were highlighted by NBFCs, and they also added that the country needs more and more banks, and it's high time now that NBFCs be allowed to convert into banks. So these were the major suggestions made by the industry participants to the Prime Minister today, and now the ball lies in the government's court, as it will not just be the government taking the call, but RBI will also have a participation into this. And although the meeting saw participation from the banking secretary, there was no representative from the RBI today. So let's see how the government goes about it. And although the Prime Minister has assured the industry participants that the government will take sufficient actions, let's see when does that happen.
As I said earlier, primarily it was how to build the confidence in the current situation. Government after IL&FS has taken many steps where there is no issue of default or something like that, but how to keep the momentum of growth on. That was a major issue which was flagged off, and I think Prime Minister and the office is very positive about the whole thing, and we should see some kind of changes in coming days.
So what was the Prime Minister's response? What kind of assurances did he give you?
I think Prime Minister himself is well averse with the situation. It was nothing, no new. I mean, it was not a news for him. But I think it was from the industry side, and as SOCHM, we were trying to bring it the issue what is required in the short term, so that the crisis of trust, crisis of credibility between the NBFC and the investor, how that can be brought back, and what are those measures should be taken. So there was some suggestion was made, and where RBI has to play a role, even the insurance companies has to play a role. So those are suggestions which government has to decide.
I think what we highlighted, the role which the NBFC and HFCs have played in the country, and the challenge which has happened in the last few months. So we said that in the short to medium term, if the government can come out with a liquidity support measure by any body, whether RBI, whether any institution, whereby it provides a certain support where NBFCs and HFCs can go and sell their portfolio there and get liquidity if required, it will give a lot of confidence into the market. And then the market borrowing again to good NBFCs, HFCs will start to happen. So that is one measure we have suggested. Secondly, on a structural reform, what we have suggested on the medium to long term is that public deposit should be allowed to be accepted by systemically important NBFCs. That will help the NBFCs not to rely on banks, but can go directly into the market. That is on a medium term as a systemic risk. Thirdly, we have suggested that many NBFCs have become very large. So allow them to convert into banks, so that you again mitigate the systemic risk. You should open up. India needs lot more banking system.
So have there been any assurances given on part of the Prime Minister, and has there been any timeline? Are you expecting the government to come out with certain decisions anytime soon?
Well, I see decisions don't happen in a second, but I think they have heard, they have understood the challenges which are there. The Prime Minister heard every one of us out, and I think they will discuss internally, and we hope that in the appropriate time we should get some measures coming.